Here's a fun and easy way to draw a Valentine cat and add a little motion to your drawing too. All you have to do is angle its body and have those legs kind of dangling behind. It makes for a cat that definitely looks like it's flying through the air, ready to deliver a Valentine to someone special. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The only supplies you need to make this project are just a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and a few crayons. There is also a link to a free step-by-step tutorial found in the description below. I do like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on my tutorial, and they really help you see where to place your lines. Another option is folding your paper in half, both ways, to make some creased lines to follow. Let's start by making marks for the head in the upper left corner. This is how wide it will be, and this is how far down the chin is. When you're done, connect those marks to make a wide U shape. Now add lines at the top for a left ear and one for the right ear, and then connect them with a straight line. The body is a big shape too, which is smart to plan. Draw some marks for how wide the neck is and where the bottom belly is going to go, and then slowly connect them with a long curved line to make a U that looks like it's kind of blowing to the right. The legs are pretty simple. Start with the right one, which is going almost straight back. And then add the other one, which has a little bit of a curve to it. Now come the arms. The top left one bends into the body a bit and is kind of short and chubby. When it's in place, erase the line that's inside. The right arm is even easier as it's inside the cat body and is also short and kind of chubby. Now that the arms are drawn, it's easy to add a heart behind those paws, just like this. Our cat also needs a tail. I'm going to make mine curving up a bit, but you could have yours going in a different direction. It's up to you. Now we can add those wings, starting with one on the right shoulder and a smaller one on the left to make it look like it's a little further away. Just a few details are needed now for the head, starting with some triangles inside those ears, the small U shapes for the eyes, and that classic cat nose and mouth shape. A few whiskers are needed on the face too, both on the right and the left side, and a couple clouds in the sky to show that this kitty is definitely flying. All right, this drawing is done, so it's time to get out that black marker and start tracing over all those pencil lines. If you spot any pencil lines that are still showing, now is a good time to erase them. I'd like my cat to have a white belly, so I'm going to draw a pencil line here to make sure I don't color inside. I'm going to hide that pencil line by tracing it with the color of the fur. Now please feel free to color your cat however you'd like, but if you want to make black stripes like my sample, now is where we take a black crayon and start making zigzag lines across the body. The face can have a few triangle shapes instead of a stripe. Then it's easy to go back and fill in the rest of your cat. This orange works well as you can just color right on top of those stripes. A little pink is needed for the ears and the nose. And of course red for that heart. Finally, some sky blue will make the cat and the clouds stand out from the background. And that is how easy it is to draw a Valentine cat. I hope this tutorial helps you make a card for someone really special in your life. If you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you can find many more Valentine projects, including how to draw a Valentine gnome and love block letters. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I'm so happy you joined me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get a notification as soon as I post a new video.